right. Okay. All right, let's see what we have. All right. We are looking for, does anybody have Woodside's number? All right, Miss Lisa's not here, so. All right, let's see. Miss Claudia, you have Council Woodside, Sharon Woodside phone number. Happen to be maybe, I don't know if there's a list. She was supposed to have been in already, checked in. Sharon. Yes. Wayne County, I'm looking for the person that is Miller. Please unmute. Division 2. Is that Miller?
All right, this.
Which is Annex Low.
No, he's
No?
in Division 1, Your
Okay.
Honor.
Yep, he's gonna be.
He's in Division 1.
Yep.
Yes, ma'am.
The gentleman that says Division 1, Floor 6 hallway. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes.
All right, stand by. Your attorney is here. Okay. What happened to Council Vincent? Well, no, because he is the one that he said that he was going to be on this Miller, and I need him now. Is he in the back?
How are you doing, sir? How are you? Can you do it? All right, come on. Let's go.
All right. Pardon me? I did. Never got another chance to look at it. Okay, Mr. Miller, Council Woodside. All right. This is, sir, Mr. Miller, this is Magistrate Chartea. Good afternoon. I'm gonna let you know the case number. Case number is 230-571-5501, People State of Michigan versus Jamere Mykel Miller. Please say your full name, sir. You need to speak up, sir.
Jamere Mykel Miller.
Okay. You have an attorney. Go ahead, counsel.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. May it please this honorable court, Sharon Clark Woodside appearing on behalf of and with Mr. Jamere Miller, who is present. We don't object to proceeding via Zoom.
Okay, counsel, what's P number?
41295.
41295.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. All right. All right. You wait for me, read and stand mute, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor. I've been advised.
Okay, I'm gonna enter plea. Thank you, ma'am. I'm gonna enter plea of not guilty. Court dates are June 15, 2023, probable cause conference, which is at 8:30 in the morning, followed by preliminary examination, June 22nd, 2023, 1:45. Both matters are in front of Judge King. Mr. Miller, there are some bond conditions. One, you're not to have contact with any witnesses in this case. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Also, I'm writing this on your paperwork. And you're not to have no weapons of any kind, firearms or homemade weapons. You understand that, sir?
Yes.
Okay. And
And Your Honor, I would also
Bond
like to speak to
conditions.
bond when you have a chance.
Who is also like to
Elizabeth
speak?
Frank on behalf of the people.
Well, counsel, I didn't ask, you were here and you said you were on Dormick? Were you on Miller or were you on something else?
Miller.
Okay, then I stand corrected. Apologize. I apologize, APA Winson. Okay, all right. All right, with that being said, okay, those bond conditions, everybody's aware of the charges. Counsel or APA Dormick, go ahead.
Your Honor, I am asking for remand in this case. The defendant is charged in this case with first-degree murder, felony murder, carjacking, armed robbery.
Ma'am, you don't need to give me all that information. I already know what the charges are.
And I appreciate that, Judge. I think remand is appropriate given the serious nature of the offense, given the fact that he's on probation to Washtenaw County, was on bond to Judge Cox in Third Circuit Court on a different type of charge. Clearly doesn't have any care or court orders, is a danger to the public. And I think bond is appropriate and can be placed at remand on the charges under the court rule 6.106.
Thank you. Counsel Woodside, go ahead.
Yes, Your Honor, as the court is well aware, these are merely allegations. I'd ask the court to set some monetary bond, although quite frankly, he already has $2 million bonds.
Okay, well, thank you, counsels, for both, from both sides, this particular matter. First count is premeditated. It is a violent charge. Somebody died in this matter. Other charges that he has are life offenses, potential life offenses. He's going to be remanded. I do believe that Mr. Miller is a danger, so there is no bond redetermination. This is a remand.
Judge, can I at least
Anything
have
else, Counsel Woodside?
a DSU?
Pardon me?
Can I have a defendant screening unit?
Oh, that I can't tell you. For pretrial services, you can ask the judge, the examining judge as to that.
That would be you, Judge. That's fine. Thank you. Have a
Yeah.
great day.
All right, you too, ma'am. And APA Dormant, thank you very much also.
Thanks, Judge. Thank you.
Have a
Thank
great
you.
day.
That concludes. Thank you, Mr. Miller. That concludes your arraignment. All right.